Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 2540, minimum common value. So it's a very easy problem to solve, and we'll first check out the problem statement, then we'll look into the approach which you're going to use, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it is given that given two integer arrays num1 and num2 sorted in non-decreasing order, okay, return the minimum integer common to both arrays. If there is no common, return -1. Note that an integer is said to be common to num1 and num2 if both array have at least one occurrence of that integer. They have given this example. For example, here we have 1 2 3 and 2 4, right? So 2 is the smallest common element between both the arrays. So we can simply solve this problem using two pointer approach, and what we will do, uh, basically we'll start with having our pointers. It's at 0 index of both the array. Okay, this is p1, this is p2. Okay, now I will check if, so there will be three conditions. If value at p1 is equals to value at p2, okay, value at p1 is less than value at p2, and value at p1 greater than value at p2. So these are the three conditions which are possible. Okay, so if both the values are same, this means you got the solution. This is the solution, expected result, let's say expected result. Okay, otherwise if value at p1 is smaller than value at p2, so for example in this case, okay, the value at p1 is smaller than p2, so then what we will do, we will increment 1 in p1 and we'll move it to the next occurrence. Okay, the other case is, for example, let's say if we were at 3, okay, if p1 was at 3, then 3 was smaller than 3 is greater than 2, right? So in that case you will be moving p2, so p2 plus 1 equals to 1, and basically you will run this, we will check this, these three conditions until any of these pointer reaches to the last element. Okay, if we don't get any of the common element, then in that case we will just simply return -1. Okay, so this is simple logic. Let's check out the code for the same. Okay, so here as you can see, I have initialized two pointers p1 and p2, both are starting at 0. Now I'm running a loop until any of the pointers reaches to the last element. Okay, and these were the three conditions which we discussed. First one is the solution, basically like what we are looking at, but we want to have p1 equals to p2, like the value at p1 equals to p2. At that case we will just simply return the value. If the value at p1 is less than value at p2, we will increment the p1 by 1, like the pointer 1 with 1. Otherwise we will increment the pointer 2 with 1. At the end, if we if this loop gets over and we still don't have the solution, we will just simply return -1. So let's check out the test cases. As you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation. And so the solution got accepted. I would say like it didn't perform well on the runtime front, but if you see the graph, like it is where most of the solutions were. So yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks again for watching other videos. Stay tuned with the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.